Today we are going to talk about linked bookmark, how to create bookmark using link. Now let us first discuss about our problem statement. The problem is that suppose you are a great expert, well-known specialist of medicinal plants, and you maintain a blog and you already have created a page, a journey into fascinating medicinal plants, and you have already mentioned 3 plants here. So the first one here turmeric, and then you have the second one ginkgo, and the third one lavender, and you have set up here at the top an index so that people can easily have a glimpse of the whole content. Now here is the output. For that, let us visit the file explorer, and here is the page. Double click this one. So this is the output page. Some text are in bold because they are important. Now the problem you are facing is that visitors wants to click any item of the index and wants to visit the respective heading. How this can be achieved? So let us try to do that. In order to do that, let us try the third one, the lavender plant, where you also have the image. So we will target this last heading. For that, what you need to do is come over to the lavender heading, and here you need to add the ID property and value. You can have any value, but so that we can easily remember, we will add H3, which means heading number 3. Not like heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, not like that, just it is the third heading. Maybe let us rename it as heading 3. So if we reload the page, there is no sense from the visitor's perspective. We need to do another thing. We need to visit the top and target this heading. How can we do that? Before that, let us copy the value, ID value. First of all, let us add a link. For that, we need a tag, and I am going to cut and paste the content here. Save, and here we need to add the value. Again copy and paste it here, and you have to add hash before the ID. Save. Now try to reload. No sense here, but if you visit the top, you have the link here, and if you hover over, at the bottom you see there is a hash heading _3 at the end of the link. So let us click it. Now you come to the third heading. So let us complete the other 2 headings. Let us bookmark them. For that, I will do this in reverse way. I will add the link first. For that, click enter, and here add the A, and here I will add heading 1, and I'll click enter, and I'll cut this value, Ctrl X here, paste it, and move the list ending to the left. Save, and also need to add the heading here on the first heading. So ID tag, and put this heading, copy, except the hash part, paste, save, and reload. So the first one, let us try to click the first one. Let's see what happens. You come to the turmeric. I'll try to maximize the page, and you see the heading. You have hash heading _1 here. Now let us do the third one, I mean the second list. For that, I will cut it here. A address should be hash heading _2, and here I need to put the content of the link. Save, And now on the heading number 2, I need to have ID, and also I need to copy this part, accept the hash and paste it here, save, and here try to reload. Now we have this link, and if I try to click, it will visit the second heading. So let us click. Now it goes to the second heading. So that's how linked bookmark works and how this tool can be used like the case here. If you have any question or comment, please let me know. I will try to answer. Thanks everyone. See you later.